Hello, it's my factory. Just finished off the welding, and as you see, part is welded together. So, and left over so much of expensive welding rod, and yeah, sure, I have some fails. One of the fails is that twin nozzle burn welding rod, and each of these springs is one of the fail. When this end stuck in the nozzle, when it heat up, and then I hope you can see wire is make a flip, and so in this way I raise 5 meters of expensive welding rod. So my job is done, and what is left to do is put this on the horizontal borer and make some boring work. One of the customers is arriving. Okay, thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.